Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this device, in this model, it's very easy. We've got only one way to do it. So let's enter the dialer, and here it doesn't really matter if it will be on the favorites, recents or the contacts. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, and all we can do here is to simply tap on add a number. And as you can see here, we can enter it and tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock it whenever you want to. Just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.